There are a lot of communities whose backs are really against the wall, and they don't know what they're going to do. They know they can't site a new landfill. They know that they can't truck things off to other communities because it's just prohibitively expensive.
We based our company on the diversion of tires from the waste stream, and with this unit, I think that'll be a big component of that.
I'm excited. You know, it's I like the size of it, the simplicity of it.
Well, it's incredibly cost effective, it's perfectly environmental, and it makes economic sense.
But also it's the right technology at the right moment.
Waste is pollution, and the world generates billions of tons of non-recyclable waste each year. With few available economical options, it is often discarded, contaminating our land, water, and air. Adaptive Arc takes nearly all forms of waste and transforms it into clean energy and commercial materials. Like wind and solar alternative energy, Adaptive Arc generates clean energy. However, we go one step further by using waste pollution as fuel.
We are more than clean energy. We're energy that cleans.
We realize that alternative energy can only be successful if cost-effective. Our systems are 50% more economical than comparable systems, and a typical rate of return on investment is 3 to 5 years. Adaptive Arc systems are also 3 times smaller, allowing for efficient land use. Our goal is to provide every community with access to affordable and safe waste transformation so they no longer need to make the difficult choice of doing what is good for the environment or what's good for the bottom line. Our systems utilize a process known as gasification, one of the safest, cleanest, and efficient methods for creating energy. Gasification has been in use for over 100 years and generates energy in over 25 countries. It works by using extremely high temperature in an oxygen-starved environment, causing a molecular breakdown of waste into a synthetic natural gas called syngas. This gas can be used to create clean electricity and energy for our communities. Burning, or incineration, is the opposite of gasification. It uses lower temperatures, requires oxygen injection, and burns the waste, leading to toxic emissions. Contrasting the two approaches, incineration creates dirty exhaust, gasification creates clean fuel. The operational CE25 system you see here processes 25 tons per day of waste, equal to what is produced by 8,000 average American homes. Besides preventing non-recyclable waste from being buried in a landfill, this system produces 500 kilowatts of electricity, or enough to power over 450 homes in the United States. Adaptive Arc did not invent gasification. We just make it more cost-effective and flexible. We accomplish this by utilizing a proprietary approach we call cool plasma gasification that is comprised of several key innovations. To perform our gasification, we use plasma arc torches designed with a unique tunable heat zone. This provides a long system life with the highest energy efficiency in the industry. Our systems require less than 10% of the total generated electricity to operate, leaving the remainder available for the community. Our plasma gasifier uses a process called regenerative cleaning to create clean syngas. Other gasifiers use costly and bulky scrubbing equipment on the syngas after it leaves the gasification chamber. Our regenerative cleaning technology creates clean syngas and non-toxic solids before they leave the gasification chamber. This enables us to exceed the toughest global emission standards with little scrubbing equipment, and it is the key to our low cost and small system footprint. Our CE25 system is flexible, providing a modular, scalable, and portable approach to project development. For example, our 25-ton per day systems can be interconnected to process up to 100 tons per day. Our systems are also portable, and the CE25 you see here can be easily transported by semi-truck and shipping container. Why transport the waste to the system when you can transport the system to the waste? We are flexible, and we can process nearly any type of waste that causes pollution, including biomass, tires, mining, hazardous waste, municipal solid waste, and even landfill gas.